Cool Trains in Montreal. And I've got a CP train headed east at the St. John's Overpass on the staircase. It's a pretty good vantage point. You're not really in the way. And looks like this might actually be more than just mixed freight. It might be an ethanol train or something. I was actually waiting for one heading the other way, heading west. It seems it's this train, this is the second train in fact, that came in the last 10-15 minutes heading east. And this is the first one, and I was taking the train here. And this one I got. I guess it's 3:45 p.m. on the 11th of January 2021. Pretty good vantage point here. Oh, double stacks as well. Those orange containers really do stand out against the white snow. Here's the bridge. You can see how those double stacks fit underneath the bridge there. There's probably 6 feet of space, maybe 5-6 feet I'd say, and you can see that it's snowing a bit as well here in Pointe Claire. Here's Donegany Street and the Pointe Claire Shopping Center beyond that tree. BNSF unit pushing the train along. Looks like there might be another train coming, heading the other way. As you can see, it's snowing right now. That's just a signal, I think. Yeah, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.